G. Oo.
Okay.
Letter G. Ano ba yan? I-erase mo muna. Hindi mo na katulad sa akin eh. Look at my right. Letter G. Z. And as in zebra. Wait ka. Okay. G. As in zebra. Lakihan mo. Big letter. Okay, next. Di ba ganun, oh? Di ba, yung sulat mo yung may puro lahat G? Hindi to.
Hindi, yung po. Kailangan ulis mo
Ay, hindi. Di, ganito po muna. Puro letter G para alaman mo. Bukas yung A, ha? Punuin mo yan. Sige, puro
Huwag
ganun.
lang hindi na lang po na G.
Always out.
What next then?
G. G din. Ito ganito.
Okay.
Punuin
write
natin.
letter G.
Mamaya yung letter A dito sa baba. Ha? Okay, go. Ganun, letter G.
dito.
Big, letter A dito, small a. Tapos dito sa taas is letter G na big letter. Okay? Oh, very good. Ito is sarapod. Oh. Sige, yan siya. Noktok. Oh, very good. Okay. Very good.
Here. Here.
No, nag-aral siya. Ito.
No. Can you wait for a moment there outside? Here? Can you wait there for a moment? I'm doing my assignment.
Oh. GD is doing assignment.
Ilakas mo.
Hayaan mo siya.
Wait. Wait for a moment there, please. Can you wait? No, that's not the ghost. Are you scared of that shadow? No, don't be scared of my friend. Hello.
Say GD, wait for a while because
Wait
GD
for a
is
while.
doing assignment. Okay?
Then,
Sige. Next.
wait.
Bilisan mo kasi your friend is outside.
Kawawa man siya.
Oh, next, letter E. Oh, ano, ganun. A as in apple. Your pen is eating?
Yeah,
Okay. Faster. Faster, you're doing your assignment because your friend is outside. You wait.
What?
Okay na yan. Bilisan mo.
Let's open the door.
Ayun. No. Not allowed here. No.